For over 40 years, Flitz Paste Polish has been the gold standard for cleaning, restoring, and polishing kitchen and bathroom fixtures the world over. You'll never have to be embarrassed by the way that old sink looks ever again. Our legendary formula removes heavy oxidation, grime, and water spots, and leaves your stainless steel shining like the day it was new. Safe on all kinds of finishes, Flitz Polish not only cleans and shines your brushed nickel faucets, it leaves behind a layer of protection, and water runs right off. And that means less cleaning time for you. Even hard water stains and buildup in the toughest areas are no match for the power of Flitz. Safe on stainless, chrome, nickel, brass, copper, bronze, fiberglass, and more. Simply apply, rub in, and buff off, and you'll see the difference. Non-toxic, eco-friendly, and made in the USA. Don't just polish it, Flitz it. When it comes time to clean, polish, and protect them, trust your kitchen and bathroom fixtures to the formula used and recommended by the manufacturers themselves, Flitz Faucet Wax Plus. Recommended by Roll, Julian, Aquabrass, Bates & Bates, just to name a few, Flitz Faucet Wax Plus helps protect your investment. Our exclusive blend of carnauba and beeswax won't scratch or dull your finish. It not only cleans, but leaves behind a durable, long-lasting barrier that protects and literally chases water away. That means fewer water spots and less time spent cleaning for you. Flitz Faucet Wax Plus takes on fingerprints, makeup, hairspray, and it's completely safe on your granite and marble vanities and countertops. You can trust Faucet Wax Plus on all kinds of finishes: brushed, oil rubbed, clear coat, lacquer, living finishes, hand-hammered copper, and more. Simply apply, rub in, and buff off, and you'll see the difference. Non-toxic, eco-friendly, and made in the USA. Don't just polish it, Flitz it. Flitz Ceramic Sealant brings a whole new level of protection to kitchen and bath fixtures. Our exclusive hydrophobic nanoceramic formula adds a layer of rock-hard protection that sheds water and resists scratches and stains. Flitz Ceramic Sealant is incredibly easy to use. Just spray on and wipe off with a soft microfiber cloth for protection that lasts up to a full year. Now you can be sure that your beautiful fixtures stay looking as good as they did in the showroom, even in a hard water environment. Flitz Ceramic Sealant, science designed to make your life easier. So don't just protect it, Flitz it. An overwhelming 85% of the USA has hard water. So if you wrestle with hard water stains, rust, calcium, and lime buildup, your wrestling days are over. The acid-free organic salts in Flitz Calcium Rust and Lime Remover make short work of even the nastiest buildup. Simply spray on, brush, and rinse with plain water. The water neutralizes the organic salts, and that means fewer harmful chemicals down your drain. But even with all that cleaning power, Flitz Calcium Rust and Lime Remover is safe for use on tile, fiberglass, stainless steel, brass, copper, enameled surfaces, and more. Now you've got a secret weapon against soap and mineral buildup on glass bath and shower doors. Just spray on and wipe off, and they're like brand new. Strong and effective, even the nastiest caked-on tarnish can't stand up to Flitz Calcium Rust and Lime Remover. Made in the USA and 100% guaranteed, add Flitz Calcium Rust and Lime Remover to your cleaning arsenal today. Don't just clean it, Flitz it. Stainless steel and chrome are beautiful, but no one said anything about keeping it clean. Now, Flitz Stainless Steel and Chrome Cleaner makes streaks and fingerprints disappear like magic. Quickly and easily say goodbye to grease, hard water stains, soap film, and more. The powerful degreasing action makes it the perfect choice in the kitchen, bath, car, boat, and barbecue. Just spray on and wipe off with a soft cloth for a beautiful streak-free shine. Flitz Stainless Steel and Chrome Cleaner. Get yours today. And don't just clean it, Flitz it. Once your stainless is clean, keep it clean with Flitz Stainless Steel Polish Protectant. Our exclusive hydrophobic nanoceramic formula resists stains, fingerprints, pollen, dust, and grime. Just spray on and wipe off with a soft cloth to protect up to a full year. Use Flitz Stainless Steel Polish Protectant on your faucets, fixtures, and virtually any hard surface. Flitz Stainless Steel Polish Protectant. Don't just polish it, Flitz it. The secret to great-looking glass and countertops is to protect them after you clean them. Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant lays down a streak-free barrier that protects against hard water and mineral deposits, hairspray, makeup, wine and food stains, grease and oils. Simple to use, just spray on and wipe off and your surfaces will look great, letting all the natural beauty shine through. Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant is safe on granite, marble, corian, formica, ceramic tile, plexiglass, and more. Use it with confidence on porcelain, enamel, living finishes, and oil-rubbed bronze. Use it on all your glass to keep those tiny fingerprints at bay. Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant's water-based formula is completely safe around food surfaces. Give yourself a break from constant cleaning with Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant. Eco-friendly and made in the USA. Don't just protect it, Flitz it. Not all microfibers are created equal, and the Flitz Microfiber towel proves it. Streak-free and safe on any surface, it dries in 1/3 the time. Made with patented Star Fiber technology, the Flitz Microfiber absorbs over 4 times its weight in liquid. The Flitz Microfiber can be used wet or dry, and it's washable and reusable up to 500 times. So don't just clean it, Flitz it.